Yeah, you can put it rich now.
All right.
Thank you. All right, let's see. Getting ready to take off.
Philly Noble traffic, Warrior 569 or 87, turning final runway 17,
Fast wiggle.
Philly Noble.
Still feels powerful.
Yep.
Okay, this is what happens if you don't do the Cessna seat butt check right before putting the throttle to it, going to the firewall with the throttle. Rotate, seat slides back, and angle of attack increases. He's trying to recover, and he's descending towards the runway, the grass. He finally has gotten his seat back up and leveled off, and he's going to start climbing out.